living in a time of rapid scientific and technological progress, which is accompanied by an ever-increasing consumption of the world's natural resources. Such vital source of life as air, water, mineral as well as fauna and flora are being wasted and destroyed. The protection of nature has become one of the actual problems of the 20th century. For many centuries, man has slowly changed his environment by using up raw materials and by disposing of unwanted waste. Unregulated industrial process, careless use of resources, and an increasing population have had a devastating effect on man's environment. The Ukrainian government is giving a great deal of attention to the protection and multiplying of natural resources and to the improvement of the environment. One of most ecological problems in Ukraine yet remains problem of Chernobyl. Radiation contamination on large territory is in the center of country. Pollution of the air, water and land has in some cases made them unfit for us. Major sources of environmental pollution include water pollution from industrial waste and detergents, air pollution from gases produced by industries, motor vehicle and burning trash, radioactive fallout and reactor waste and excessive use of insecticides. At one time, liquid waste products from our cities and industrial plants were simply dumped into nearby rivers and streams. Chemicals in waste pollute water and change our environment by chemical reactions they bring about. Pollution of the air is brought about by the discharge of waste into the atmosphere. Waste from furnaces, automobiles and industries put great amount of gases and solid particles into the air. Most of the solid particles settle out of the atmosphere as dust. Such gases as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, which are given off when certain fuels are burned, are major problems in many areas of our country. The smoke is formed when ultraviolet radiation in the atmosphere acts upon these waste gases to form new compounds. Special measures are taken to protect marine and vanishing animal species. Nearly all of them have their own zoologists, botanists and other scientific personnel. Success in protecting nature is possible only if all countries of the world join forces.